Do you know someone who should receive the I Am Devotion Award? The I Am Devotion Award is one of the HigherSelf Awards. It is given to those who advocate for, promote, and develop positive and constructive systems that support those who care for and nurture us, our families, and our communities. The I Am Devotion Award is for those who work to maintain internal, familial, and community well-being. The award categories are early childhood development, birthing and motherhood, infant care, parenting. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to you, your family, your neighborhood, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Devotion Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.